You need life goals. Have you ever felt like you're just going through the motions every day? Waking up, working, sleeping, and repeating the cycle? Like you're stuck on autopilot, just going through the motions without a real sense of purpose or direction? Listen, you are not alone. So many of us feel this way, yearning for something more, something fulfilling. The truth is, we all crave that feeling of purpose, of knowing what we're working towards and why. And the key to unlocking that feeling, to breaking free from that rut, is setting clear and realistic life goals. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the power of goal setting, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to help you set meaningful, achievable goals that are totally aligned with who you are and what you want out of life. We're talking about goals that light you up, that get you excited to jump out of bed in the morning. Let's do this. Look, we all have dreams, but a dream without a plan is just a wish. It's like hoping to win the lottery without ever buying a ticket. Life goals, my friend, they are your roadmap. They give you clarity on where you're headed and what you want to achieve. Think of it like this. If you were going on a road trip, you wouldn't just hop in the car and start driving aimlessly, would you? You'd map out your destination, plan your route, and maybe even mark some exciting stops along the way. That's exactly what setting life goals does for you. It provides direction, keeps you motivated when things get tough, and increases your confidence because you can see yourself making progress. And most importantly, it gives you a sense of purpose, a reason to get out of bed every morning with fire in your belly. Because you know, deep down, that you're not just drifting through life, you're intentionally creating a life you love. Before you even think about setting goals, we've got to take a little time to get to know the most important person in this equation, you. That's right, it's time for some self-reflection. Grab a journal, find a quiet spot, and ask yourself some key questions. What are you passionate about? What makes your heart sing? What are you naturally good at? What are your core values, the things you absolutely will not compromise on? And what kind of lifestyle do you envision for yourself? Dig deep, be honest with yourself, and don't be afraid to dream big. This is about uncovering what truly matters to you, because when your goals are aligned with your passions, values, and aspirations, that's when the magic truly happens. That's how you unlock that unstoppable motivation that propels you towards a life that feels authentically and deeply fulfilling. Okay, now let's break down the different areas of your life where setting goals can create incredible transformation. Because remember, life isn't just about work or money, it's about the whole picture. Think about your career. Where do you see yourself professionally? What impact do you want to make in your field? Then there's your health and well-being. Do you want to get in better shape, eat healthier, or start a new fitness routine? Next up, relationships. How do you want to nurture your connections with family, friends, and romantic partners? And of course, finances. Are you looking to save more money, pay off debt, or invest in your future? Don't forget about personal growth. What skills do you want to learn? What knowledge do you want to gain? What experiences do you want to have? And last but not least, spirituality. How do you want to connect with your inner self? Find deeper meaning and purpose. Or explore your spirituality. Remember, this is your life, your roadmap. Now that you've identified the areas you want to focus on, let's talk about setting goals that stick. And for that, we're going to use the SMART method. It's a simple but powerful framework that'll help you set yourself up for success. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So instead of setting a vague goal like, I want to lose weight, make it SMART. I want to lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months by working out 3 times a week and making healthier food choices. See the difference? When your goals are clear, measurable, and realistic, you're way more likely to stay motivated and actually achieve them. Okay, let's be real. Big goals can feel totally overwhelming, right? It's like climbing a mountain. Looking up at the summit can make you want to turn around and head straight back to the couch. But here's the thing. Every journey, no matter how challenging, begins with a single step. So instead of getting overwhelmed by the enormity of your goal, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to write a book, don't focus on the entire manuscript. Start with a chapter outline. Then, commit to writing a certain number of words each day. Before you know it, those words will turn into chapters, and those chapters will come together to create your masterpiece. Remember, progress, not perfection, my friend. All right, let's talk about the power of visualization. When you create a vision board or a journal dedicated to your goals, you're essentially creating a tangible representation of your dreams. It's like building a bridge between your imagination and reality. Find images, quotes, or anything that inspires you and represents your goals. Paste them on a board, hang it up where you can see it every day, and let it serve as a constant reminder of what you're working towards. And don't underestimate the power of a good old-fashioned journal. Writing down your goals, tracking your progress, and celebrating your wins is a powerful way to stay motivated and accountable. Listen, consistency is key when it comes to achieving your goals, but that doesn't mean you have to be perfect. Life happens, things get in the way, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep showing up for yourself, even if it's in small ways. Make it a habit to review your goals regularly, track your progress, and celebrate those small wins along the way. And remember, it's totally normal to have to adjust your goals as you go. Life is full of surprises, and sometimes those surprises lead you down unexpected paths. So be flexible, be open to new possibilities, and don't be afraid to course correct when needed. Hey, you know what's way more fun than focusing on how far you still have to go? Celebrating how far you've come. Seriously, take the time to acknowledge and celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Did you crush a workout? Celebrate it. Did you finally finish that chapter you've been struggling with? Celebrate it. Did you resist that temptation to hit the snooze button and actually get out of bed when your alarm went off? High five! Celebrating your progress boosts your confidence, keeps you motivated, and reminds you that you're capable of amazing things. Okay, let's talk about setbacks. They're a part of life, and they're going to happen, whether you like it or not. But here's the thing. Setbacks are not failures. They're opportunities to learn, grow, and come back stronger. So instead of beating yourself up when you stumble, ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can I use this setback as a stepping stone to move forward with even greater wisdom and resilience? Remember, the most successful people in the world are not the ones who never fail, but the ones who learn from their mistakes and keep going. Listen, you don't have to do this alone. Share your goals with people who support you, who believe in you, and who will cheer you on every step of the way. Surround yourself with a tribe of positive, uplifting people who inspire you to be your best self. And hey, don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are also on a journey of personal growth and goal achievement. Remember, we're all in this together, and having a support system can make all the difference in the world. So there you have it, my friend. Setting clear and realistic life goals is not about being perfect. It's about creating a life that feels right to you. With the right goals, you'll wake up each day with passion, confidence, and a deeper sense of meaning. You'll stop going through the motions and start living with intention, purpose, and joy. Remember, you are capable of incredible things. Don't let your potential go untapped. Take that first step, believe in yourself, and watch as you create a life that is truly extraordinary. So, what's one goal you can start working on today? Write it down, break it into steps, and take that first small action. Your future self will thank you.